There are some settings in your YouTube studio that's either on or off that is not making you to have views. Not talk of your video getting to viewers or your video going viral. These settings are hindrance to your videos, and I'm telling you, you need to on and off this setting ASAP while you're uploading your next video. Stay with me to the end because that second setting is very important because it's going to give your video access to different countries and different languages. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, like, and also share the video. So what we need to do, we're doing it in our YouTube studio. For those of you that don't know how to go to YouTube studio, just go to your Chrome browser, click on it, and just type in YouTube studio. So click on YouTube studio. Like I told you that you can only do this when you want to upload your video. After you upload your video, you'll not be able to change it. So do it while you're uploading your video. So I will not use my old video because I've already uploaded them. So I'm going to be using a new video. And just for the purpose of the tutorial, just go to create, upload video. So I've selected my file now. So this is where you are going. So just put your title, your description, everything I need to put, thumbnails, everything I always put. And now press on the see more. Press on see more. Now just go where you're going straight down. After your tags. Now this way you're going, you can see both of them are clicked. Allow embedding and publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. So this is what we need. Exactly. We need to take this off. And the reason why is that most of us new YouTubers, we don't have a subscriber, we don't have subscribers, yes. So if YouTube publish this video to only our subscribers, they will not view it, and that's why you will not have any views. So you have to take it out. So YouTube will publish it to new people that will likely to view our videos. Or else maybe you are already in love with your subscriber. You are very sure that if your subscribers should see your video, they will watch it. That's why you can leave it on. But if not, make sure you take it off. Because especially if you have many subscribers, you are not sure that maybe this subscriber will watch it. Maybe there's a way you get a subscriber or not, but you are not sure, you are not guaranteed them watching that video. So make sure you take it off. New YouTubers also need to take it off because you don't have enough subscribers yet. So make sure you take this one off. Publish the subscription field and notify subscribers. Take it off. Make sure it is off before you upload your video. And you have to do it while you are uploading your video. After you have uploaded your video, you'll not be able to change it again. Immediately your video has been published, you will not be able to change it again. So you need to change it when you're uploading your video before your video will go public. So that is what we are talking about. Now let me show you the second one. The second one that we need to do. I told you about that we need to off. So let us pick any of our videos here. I'll just pick a video for you. Let me pick this. Now this is video detail. This way we are going here. I want to choose subtitle. Yeah, subtitle. I want to turn on subtitle our video to other languages. You can see because in this video I didn't select a language I want this video to be about. That's why it's like this. So when you have uploaded a video, you need to select a language. I'm going to show you the language to select language. Let me first select it here. So that's how to select the language I want that this video is about. Because this video is in English, I'm going to select in English. So whatever language your video is about, so make sure select it. If your own is not like it, that means I've already put a language here. I'll show you where you're going to put a language, how you can put language when you're uploading your video. So let's select English. Let's now confirm. I can see now. So you see. Now let's add. I want to add another language I want to add. So let's add this. Press on that add language. And you can add as many as you like. Let's start with. Let me add. I'll first add Chinese. Yes, just for example, let me add Chinese. So you can add as many as you like. After you have Chinese, so you have added. Don't just leave it like because I remember one time that I tried to do this. I added like 5 languages. I thought I've already added language and I left. when only to come back, I said there was no language that's added. And until I saw a video that has explained in detail how to do it now. So and make sure you are going to edit the language. This is subtitle. Just press on this dash. You now see the pencil button. Press on that pencil button. So we're supposed to choose this auto translate. But because I've not already translated this video, that's why I didn't bring out the auto translate. So I'm going to show you how you can first subtitle your videos, or let's say if you don't subtitle your video, this auto translate will not come. You have to type manually or you upload your file. So then you have to go back. I'll show you how you can subtitle your video. So let's go back. Now we're going back to that place that we upload that video. Let's edit. This was the video I chose. So to edit it, just click on it. Now this is the video. I told you that I'll show you where you can subtitle your video. So see more. That's why when you upload on your YouTube app, you need to come here and put all this see more. You cannot see all this one in your app. So you need to come to YouTube Studio after uploading your app and come and put all these things there. It's important. You want your video to start getting views and I want it to go viral. So where are we going now? See this place. Before I didn't put video language there. That's why it didn't show English the other time I see it. But because I've already added it, that's why it's now showing. So if you didn't add it, there, it should tell you how we do. But if you added it there, it should just come out. And so that is that now. But how can we subtitle our video? This is it. Where you're supposed to add card, you can see that's where you're going to see it. Where you're supposed to add cards, add your I'm to show you can add your cards, your end screen. This is where you find the subtitle. You can see it there. Click on subtitle. Click on that pencil button on the subtitle so you can see our subtitle is ready. You can view it. If you need to change anything, just view it. You can see this is everything you said in your video in English. If you need to change anything, like now this place that has red, you can try and change it. So you're not coming there now. They don't know what you want to come and change there. So they need to change anything there. Even if you want to explain in detail how you can edit your subtitle and add more subtitle, because this is not about that. Just go in the video. Just in the comment section how you can add your end screen. If you want me to show you, just show it in the comment section. So just correct it. I'm not going there now. If you read I say correction, just correct it. Unless it's going to affect your subtitle. So I won't be using this video again. You can need to change some things there. But just change it, and that is when you now think it's okay. I didn't want to change it here, so I do not. I don't waste our time. When you think it's okay, you have to say press done. Think it's okay, just press done. Now your subtitle has been added. So you can now go and add the language that you want. So let's go back. I'll be choosing another video because I want to change this one. I change the video because I want to change that one. So let's go back to our subtitle. Because I need to change the subtitle. I need to correct it. That's why I didn't change it now. So make sure you correct your subtitle before you add it, because it may affect when they want to subtitle it. So make sure you do that. So press add language, because I've already added French here. So I want to add more. Now, as I said, let's add Chinese. Now need to edit it. Subtitle, like I told you, press the pencil button. Now you see auto translate, so you can now click it. You can see our Chinese subtitle is ready. If you know you can read Chinese, you can go to it. Because I don't need that to know how to read Chinese, I'll just go and press publish. Make sure you press publish. If you don't press publish, you have done nothing. You can also subtitle your descriptions, your title. If you also want them to translate it, you can also do that. So that's not the purpose of this tutorial, just how you can translate it. Let's try and add one more language. So you can add as many as you want your video to go to. So add as many as language that you want. Let's see. English Canada, English United. No. All those that you not edit, you not show there. So just want to add one more for better understanding. Let's add, I think, Indian. Yes, I'm going to add Indian because also Indians, they are very good on YouTube. They watch YouTube videos very well. So let me add Indian. Yes, you can say Hausa. Yes, Hindi. What did they speak? They speak Hindi. If you are not sure of a country that the language they speak, just go to your Google and search for it. Now, I already know that in India they speak Hindi because I've already searched for it. So there's a country that you want to put their language, they want to add there, but you're not sure of their language they speak. Maybe after your share analysis, they always want to view your video and you want to add subtitles for them. Just go and check Google language expand, they will show you. So now for India now, then make sure you edit it. And press the pencil. Let's do auto translate. Now this is Hindi. Now make sure you publish. You can see that is very simple to do. If you have gained value in this video, if it has been helpful to you, to subscribe to the channel and make sure you like the video, because the more you like the video, the more YouTube is sending to more people. So don't watch video without liking and without subscribing. See you in my next video. Bye.